Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a haul. I got some seeds from free heirloom seeds. You can get free seeds from them. They ask you for a donation. I made a donation, so if you make a $10 for every $10 donation, you can get 15 packs of seeds. So I made a $20 donation, and I got 30 packs of seeds. So that's roughly about 66, 67 cents per package. They send them to you in these little envelopes. And I also made a little seed haul from MIgardener. So I'll go through what I got. I got a bunch of seeds. I don't know if y'all interested in that, but I got a bunch of different seeds that I didn't have. So the first one is cumin. Never grown cumin before, so got the seeds for that. This one is purple carrots. I've been trying to grow carrots, not having good luck with them, but I'm getting a few of them. This is Boothby's blonde cucumber. Never heard of it, but that's what it is. It's a 63-day. We got a Saka purple mustard. It's Nebraska mustard. I don't think I got purple. I got red mustard, so I have that. These are 45 days. I might plant that soon. I haven't gone through these. We got some purple Vienna kohlrabi. That's 60 days. Some black magic kale. That's 65 days. And I like this. If you guys, it's free, heirloomseeds.org. So if you want to try them out, I'll link it, put it on the screen and below in the description box so you can check that out. I also got Turkish orange eggplant. I don't know if it's a big or small eggplant, but it's 70 to 90 days. My ear keeps getting stuck on my mic. Lemongrass. This is for zones 9 through 11. I'm not in that zone. Oh, it's perennial in 9 to 11. But that's all the information it gives you. I don't know how long it takes. So have lemongrass. Also have some Ceylon Chinese broccoli, 60 to 70 days. See the name on there, cause why does it look upside down when I put it up? Oh, no, it doesn't. This is Long Island Brussels sprouts. This is 95 days. Putting the names up here because some of this mess I can't even pronounce. Tuscany basil. This is 75 days. They have a lot to choose from, but they stated on their website that the best time, where is the piece of paper? I think this is it. The biggest seed list goes online every year around January the 1st. And that is their email address. And they have instructions on how you do it, how you pick it out. So make sure you follow those instructions on how to do it, because they said to delay the shipment if you do not do it correctly. I have some large leaf Italian basil, some Miss Burns lemon basil, 64 days. I ordered a lot of different things that I didn't have. English thyme. I'm having a hard time growing thyme. The one I have, I actually got from the grocery store. You know, when you buy it and put it in, because I kept planting seeds and couldn't get any. Same with my rosemary. But the rosemary that I have now, I cut it, propagated, and I created, I think, 2 or 3 different ones. 2, because the other one died. But I'm going to do that again just in case we get a bad frost, because we've been having winter. So anywho, I got some American purple top rutabaga, which is 90 days. some UC72 asparagus. I don't know if I'm going to grow this asparagus, but I got the seeds in case I move. I don't want to grow it in this yard. My yard is, I need a flat yard. We got some green globe artichokes because I don't have a lot of room. And they got to be there forever, so I don't have a forever spot for them. Boratana Cipollini onions. Cipollini onions. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I had some of these with that name, that C name. 105 days. I'm going to start some more onions. Slow boat arugula. So I got 2 different kinds of arugula, I guess. These are 45 days. We got some Barletta onions, which are 65 days. I'm hoping these are short day. I don't know if they said short day or long day on there. I think I look for short day, so hopefully they're short day because I'm in the South. Red Creole onions, I know these are short days because I grow these a lot. Love them. Charleston Wakefield cabbage, 70 to 85 days. Have that. We have Des Verdes Savvy cabbage, 95 days. Is it Savvy or Savoy? Savoy. I have some Savoy cabbage, but it doesn't have that name. It just says Savoy. Early round Dutch cabbage, 75 days. I got a lot of cabbage. I love cabbage. Mammoth Red Rock cabbage. I can't wait to grow that. I'm going to start some of these seeds in the next few weeks. White eggplant. I know cabbage is for fall, but last year I grew it. I put it in the ground this time of year in, I think January, February, and it grew in the summertime I had it. So, Joy Fern Leaf Dill, 60 days. I got some dill I got from the grocery store. Not from the grocery store, from the plant, I was going to say pharmacy, from the nursery. Yeah. One thing, and it's growing out there, so it must be fall because I always try to grow in the summer, couldn't grow it, but so it must be a fall crop because we've had frost. We had frost for 5-6 days in a row, still alive. So that probably why I couldn't grow it. Probably a lot of reasons why I can't grow some of the stuff I'll be trying to grow. That is actually a cold weather crop. So do your research and see if it's warm or cool weather crop before you start growing stuff, because I just be sticking seeds in the ground. Okay, we got purple Savoy cabbage to go with the other Savoy cabbage. That is 61 days. We got Green Express cabbage. This is 50 days. Well, I probably need to start this and put this on in the ground if it's just 50 days. That's quick. Green Express cabbage. 46 weeks before the last frost. Isolate by time of distance, 16. Definitely need to try this. If anybody has tried this Green Express cabbage, comment below and let me know. Wonder what it tastes like. And then we have some Decor broccoli, which is 45 days. I actually have some of these in a seed pack from somebody. I don't know who. That's it for those. So those are my 30 packs. Then I have some scarlet kale from MIgardener. I like MIgardener seeds because when he have a sale, they're $1 or $2, one of the two. I got some habanero peppers. These peppers are like habaneros, but they are not hot, but they have the same flavor, just not the heat. And then I also got some habanero peppers to grow. I got some Santa Fe Grande peppers. I thought I had some of these little peppers like these, but I couldn't find the seed packet, so I don't know what happened to them. Then I got some Nada-Pino peppers, which are the same like those, like these habaneros. These are not hot. They're like, they have the flavor but not the heat, and these have the flavor and not the heat of jalapenos. So My earrings keep getting stuck. And then I got a yellow dragon fruit. I'm going to try to grow these. I know I'm not in the right environment. They're tropical. They say tropical. But I'm going to try to grow them anyway because that's what I do around here. And then we got some white dragon fruit. I don't know why this is called yellow when the outside is yellow and the inside is white. And this, the outside is pink and the inside is white. So why wouldn't this be called a pink one? Because they both have white insides. But whatever. And then I got the jewel mix nasturtium because I like growing nasturtiums. I don't really eat them. I just like how they look in my garden. I have tried them though, so I might eat some. I did try the leaves. I did not try the flower. I only tried the leaves, and I picked some one day and put them in the salad, and they were good. I didn't dislike them or anything. I just grow them primarily to see what they look like in my garden because they're pretty. And I just had one. I transplanted it from my green stalk into a pot, but the frost killed it. But it once I put it in that pot, it took off. So I may put a bunch of them in pots next year. It didn't produce any seeds. I didn't find any on there. But I'm going to look again because I didn't discard it. So I can look for seeds because I had saved some seeds from the prior ones that I had last year. And I left them outside. And I don't know if a bird got them or what, but I cannot find them anywhere. So they got away. And that was one of the ones, I guess, that the birds dropped. It just popped up out the ground. I transported it, put it in my green stock. On one of my pots over by my window. So I had one. That's all I got for the whole season. And last year I had a bunch sprinkled out within my tomato plants and pepper plants. And I didn't have any insects. I had basil, nasturtium, and I may have put onions in there. And I didn't have anything eating up my tomatoes and peppers last year. This year, the only thing I put in there was basil, and I might have had a little bit of onions, and I had stuff eating them. So I don't know if nasturtium is actually a deterrent or not, but I didn't have any. And next year, I want to put them in between. I'm going to put, I had marigolds this year, but they got too big and started blocking out my stuff. So I saved some miniature marigolds. So I'm going to plant them next year because I saved the seeds from them. I've been saving the seeds from everything I grow. So anywho, that is it for my seed haul from what I got from free heirloom seeds as well as in MIgardener. I'll leave the links to both of the websites below. Very inexpensive seeds for both. These are way less inexpensive, but they didn't have a whole lot at the time I ordered, but I may go back out there January 1st and make another order. I don't need any more seeds, to be very, very honest, but I'll order them anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.